In this video, I'll be showing you how to find saved passwords on Samsung phone. It's an easy tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and there's a few different ways. So what we're going to do is swipe down on the top right of our screen. It's going to show the control panel. Then on the top right again, go ahead and click on the settings wheel cog icon. Scroll down until you find Google. So go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to see a lot of different things here, but what you want to do is go over to all services, and then we just want to go ahead and find passkeys and devices. So go ahead and find that. Now, once you go ahead and click on that, it's going to show any passwords that you have or anything like that. Now, if it doesn't show what you're looking for right there, what we can also do is go back, and then all we want to do is go back to settings completely. What we can also do is go to search and then type in passwords, and we're going to see passwords, passkey, and autofill as one of the options. Over here, you're going to be able to see any passwords that you also currently have saved as well. You can go to personal. You can also switch to secure folder as well if you want to. And yeah, it's as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.